First of all, I think when you're preparing for CAT, a systematic study is very important. Like usually I hear students worrying about the number of hours that you put in for study, which I think is absolutely immaterial. What matters is how you're studying. So basically, if you do a systematic study and if you understand the concepts, I think you can make it to CAT. To be honest, I joined actually 2 test series. One was time and the other was from another institute. And actually after joining, I realized that the time test series are much better because in the other test series, what I was seeing was the last year papers were getting repeated. It was just that they were changing probably certain figures and the same questions were getting repeated in every test, which I thought was not useful because once you've attempted the past year papers, you can obviously do those questions once you've done them. What I found very good in time test series is, first of all, you get a lot of test papers, so you get enough number of questions to attempt. And secondly, I think also every paper is different. Like this time, especially because the pattern got changed. Like we had only 2 sections this year in CAT, so there was a lot of confusion among students that what will be happening. What will be the breakup between the 2 sections? How many questions will be there in each section? So it was announced very late by the CAT administration that how many questions will be there in each section. So before that, but we had got enough practice of all kind of patterns because whatever test time gave us, it was a different pattern and it was a different kind of question every time. So I think that way we got a very good exposure. I think the GDPI experience was wonderful, and I think the best part about time GDPI especially is having a mentor. Because there's so many queries which you probably cannot ask in a GD class or in a PI class, the PI basics class. I mean, you can ask, but there are certain things which are
silly questions.
Yeah, silly questions, and there are certain things which are related only to your CV, which other students have nothing to do with. And so basically, if you have a mentor, there's this one person you can always go to for any kind of question. He'll not tell you that what kind of question is that. You can ask him. And there are so many forms, like for all IIMs interviews, you're supposed to be filling up forms first. So you can always mail those answers to the mentor, get his suggestions, correct those answers. So it becomes very easy.
My name is Professor Amitabh Bhattacharya, and I'm going to be your dean for the next 2 years. Why don't we introduce ourselves? You?
I'm Rajiv, and I'm from Time.
I'm Shipra, and I'm from Time. Kashmira from Time as well.
Joshua from Time. Time.
Time. Time.
Time.
Time.
Time.
From Time.
Okay. How many of you are from Time? That's even better than last year.